How to create an Australian super account. Hello everyone, today in this tutorial I'll show you how you will be able to create or open an Australian super account. So let's dive in. Open your web browser and in the search bar type www.australiansuper.com. Once the site loads, click on the tree house interline at the upper right corner and select Join. From the drop-down menu, click on Super and fill out the form that appears. Enter your email address and then click on Get Started. On the next page, enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and gender. Once you're finished, click on Continue. Over here, provide your address details including your zip code and then click on Continue. Now enter your phone number, agree to the conditions and click on Continue. If your employer contributes to your super, select Yes, otherwise select an option that applies to you. Enter your occupation if you are self-employed and click on Continue. Read and understand the product disclosure statement, check the box and then click on Continue. Nominate your beneficiaries or skip this step and click on Continue. Scroll down, read the terms, then check the box that says Agree to the terms and then tap on Continue. Once you have done that, over here in this page, you have to review all the information you provided and then click on Submit. After submitting, you will receive an email from Australian Super confirming your account creation. And that's it. That's how you open an Australian Super account. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you guys in my next video.